Have you ever wondered how those bumpy holes in the road get fixed? Today, we're going to meet the Pothole repair team and watch them work. We'll see their special trucks and tools and learn each step they use to make the road smooth again. Stick around, because at the end, there's a mind-blowing fact about just how much damage one little pothole can actually cause.
Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
So what actually is pothole repair? It's the process where special road crews fill dangerous holes in streets, using hot materials and powerful tools to make roads safe and smooth again. Think of it like a dentist filling a cavity in a tooth, except the tooth is a road, and instead of a tiny drill, they're using massive machines and steaming hot asphalt. So how does a pothole actually form in the first place? It all starts with rain seeping into tiny cracks in the road. When temperatures drop, that water freezes and expands, just like how a water bottle cracks when you freeze it. The ice pushes the road apart from the inside, making the crack bigger. When the ice melts, it leaves behind a small gap, a weakness in the road. Now add thousands of cars, buses, and trucks driving over that same weak spot every single day. The weight presses down again and again until finally a chunk of the road breaks away. And boom, you've got yourself a pothole. Time for our first quiz. Multiple choice question. What three things work together to create potholes in roads? A. Sun, wind, and cars. B. Rain, freezing water, and traffic. C. Snow, dirt, and bicycles. D. Leaves, mud, and trucks. If you said B, then well done. That's right. Rain, freezing water, and traffic are the three villains that team up to destroy roads everywhere, especially in places with cold winters. Now that we know how potholes form, let's meet the heroes who fix them.
Hey, you're watching Goalie's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
The Pothole Repair Team. Picture this. A bright orange or yellow truck rolls up to the pothole with flashing lights, warning other drivers. Inside, there's a special heated compartment keeping asphalt at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to burn you instantly. So these workers wear thick gloves and protective gear. The crew usually has 3 or 4 people, and each person has a specific job. One worker controls traffic, making sure cars slow down and go around safely. Another grabs tools from the truck, and the team leader inspects the pothole, checking how deep it is and how much material they'll need. Their tools look like something from a construction superhero movie. Steel rakes for spreading asphalt, powerful machines for cleaning, long-handled tampers that look like giant hammers, and the star of the show, the compactor. This incredible machine vibrates thousands of times per minute to squeeze the asphalt down tight. And after cleaning out the debris, the repair team adds hot asphalt to fill the pothole. That hot asphalt is basically a mix of rocks and sticky black tar, and it's the perfect filling material because it can be shaped when it's hot and then hardens into a super strong surface. Time for our second quiz. True or false? The repair team adds hot asphalt to fill the pothole after cleaning out the debris. If you said true, then well done. That's right. Hot asphalt is the perfect filling material because it can be shaped when it's hot and then hardens into a super strong surface. Let's follow the repair team through each step. Step 1. Clean out the debris. The crew uses shovels, brooms, and sometimes powerful air blowers to remove every bit of loose rock, dirt, water, and broken pavement from the hole. This is super important because if you pour new asphalt onto wet or dirty surfaces, it won't stick properly. Step 2. Add the hot asphalt. A worker scoops steaming hot asphalt from the truck and dumps it right into the clean pothole. The asphalt is so hot, you can actually see wavy heat lines rising from it. They pour in enough to slightly overfill the hole because the next step is going to compress it down. Step 3. Spread it evenly. Using steel rakes, workers spread the hot asphalt around, making sure it fills every corner and edge. They shape it so it's level with the rest of the road, and they have to work quickly before the asphalt cools and hardens. Step 4. Compact it smooth. This is the final and most important step. The compactor rolls over the asphalt, vibrating and pressing it down thousands of times per minute until it's perfectly smooth and strong enough to handle heavy vehicles driving over it every day. Time for our last quiz. Multiple choice question. Why do workers slightly overfill the pothole when adding hot asphalt? A. To waste materials. B. So it can be compressed down flat. C. To make it look bigger. D. So cars drive over it faster. If you said B, then well done. That's right. Workers overfill the pothole slightly because the compactor will press the asphalt down, making it perfectly level and smooth with the rest of the road. Potholes form when rain seeps into cracks, freezes and expands, then melts, leaving weak spots that break under traffic weight. Repair crews use specialized heated trucks, protective gear, and powerful tools like compactors to fix them quickly and safely. And the repair process has 4 clear steps: clean out debris, add hot asphalt, spread out evenly, and compact it smooth. And here's that mind-blowing fact. Studies show that hitting potholes costs American drivers over $3 billion every year in car repairs. Bent wheels, damaged suspension, flat tires. One nasty pothole can cause hundreds of dollars of damage in just a single second. That's why pothole repair teams are absolute road heroes. Next time you're in a car, look out for freshly repaired potholes. They're usually a slightly different color than the rest of the road. Keep asking questions, keep being curious, and see you in the next adventure.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.